Itemine ria kunora makiria arutwo aria marathomera mathomo mothondeki wa mithaiga riu thukuru wa University wa Masai Mara ni ugukorwo na mweke mwega wa kuhe mathomo ma gikiro kia iguru arutwo aria marathomera mathomo megemainie na mauge ma science kuona ni urikitie kwamukira macini cia muigana wa ciringi milioni 15 kuma kuri thirikari ya China. Vice Chancellor wa thukuru uyu Mary Walingo ni agathiririe itacokia riri akiuga ni rigukorwo rigiteithiriria na njira nene arimi hamwe na kuhitana na thina wa ugaruruku wa riera kumana na guthaitira maria maturigiceirie.
We'll be encouraging farmers to grow plants, especially trees, where they'll be harvesting materials and selling to the university to process the medicines. And that means that besides training of students in this university, the university will also be touching lives in the sense of improving the economic status of the farmers and also helping the nation to conserve the environment.
Iguru ria ugo Walingo ni ugite thukuru ucio ni urarutithania wira na njira ya hakuhi na thirikari nene ya bururi na niguo gutigirira kaunti iyo ni gwakwo kiganda kia dawa iria guteithiriria aikari.
The same teams that we are working with are going further to help us to build a factory on this campus, and that is going to expose our students. We are talking about skills training. They'll be working there and develop the skills in developing pharmaceuticals.
Nathan Onyaro uria nake niwe mutaaramu munene wa mathomo megemainie na dawa augite gwa kahinda karaya bururi wa Kenya ukoretwo wikururitie guoka ni uthondeki wa dawa kumana na wagi wa maugi maria mafatarainie akiuga uyu ni muthingi ukuriukia mwihoko kuri bururi.
Even though we would not be able to make pure medicine, we can make what we call herbal medicine, capsules and tablets. And this equipment which has come, like this one, is called a water bath. A water bath is that when you are doing extraction, there is the solvent. You would want to evaporate a solvent at a certain temperature.
Kuringana na uthuthuria kuma kuri kiungano gia ataaramu a urigitani kuma bururi-ini wa Sweden, ugima wa mwiri ni wirigirirwo kwa ndanduka na gicunji gia 10.8 harĩ igana gwikinyeria mwaka turorete na haria gwa kahinda-ini gaka urugamireire gicunji gia 6 gia utonga wa bururi. Muigai wa Gathungo, Kameme TV.